We work on grid interactive steel making with hydrogen project, which is short form of GAISH. We are trying to de-risk the investment of industries and governments in steel making with hydrogen. The goal of the GAISH project is to demonstrate that we can make a reactor which can produce iron ore pellets using both hydrogen and natural gas.
There's been some research at lab scales and some pilot scale ventures that have been done, but the biggest difficulty is that the kinetics are different than with carbonaceous materials. Converting iron oxide to iron is a reduction reaction. So that reaction, when you use hydrogen, is endothermic, which means it takes energy, so you have to put extra energy in.
We need to kind of gradually move from the existing technology to hydrogen technology.
Future metallurgical engineers have to have an insight on the potentials of renewable power, the ability to produce hydrogen, the availability of hydrogen, and entirely different supply chain from what used to be there.
All of the students are getting exposure to areas they might not have traditionally been exposed to. The modelers are getting exposed to the industrial environment and industrial scale research. The industrial guys are learning how to apply some of these fundamentals and the models in their process.
They've got an opportunity to show the industry that they have skills that are not quite represented in the steelmaking industry. And not only does that lead to job prospects upon graduation, but it also makes them leaders in an industry that is increasingly turning its attention towards decarbonization.
The students in this program are the first ones being introduced to that integration with renewable energy and renewable power and hydrogen in context with iron and steel production.
Everyone was talking about hydrogen for decades, but finally you see that you are doing something which will affect, in fact, everyone. You cannot construct buildings without steel, you cannot construct roads without steel, you cannot even drive somewhere without steel. We are in pioneering conditions to some degree.
We look forward to working with partners and building the skills and capabilities that will help us to be even more impactful in this space.